I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, decision time, still. Go down to the RSI. Essentially, you have this double bottom, and then Bitcoin had this nice run up. What I want you to notice is that there is a potential rising wedge forming here on the RSI. So do we see some type of break lower below this level? This level is key. And so what I'm doing a lot more than ever is, besides trading patterns, right, I'm looking at level by level, right? You have this reversal, right? Price action gets rejected, right? Two other attempts where the price action couldn't break above this level. And now it's still back down here under resistance. This is essentially the ceiling, right? So to see some type of pullback wouldn't be that surprising. The main thing is, if there is a pullback, if the bulls can't break above this level, you just want the next low. So here's your high, your low. This is a slightly higher high. You just want your next low to be a higher low, right? You could even get this double bottom. I mean, it wouldn't be fun in the short term because you'd be dealing with some type of pullback. But when you're looking for the best entries, we talked about this idea where Bitcoin got rejected at this level and it happened again. And this is a double top. So if you lose this level, so if this is a bearish retest, right, with a bear flag, it gets rejected. The measured move is down here in the golden pocket, 40,500. I've got some shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, they started the group with $1,300. They made $15,000. Normally it takes them 6 months to make this at their job. This person said, sir, I'm a little emotional. I'm solving a lot of financial issues that I've had. Huge. This is amazing. Like that's where you want to be. This person, almost at $4.5 million. They had $50,000 when they joined the group. Now they're almost to $5 million. This life-changing money, period. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We've been hitting winner after winner after winner after winner after winner. When Bitcoin's moving in the right direction, these green numbers are easy. It's really important to understand that there's a closed board meeting coming from the Fed where they're going to examine how they're going to raise the rates, raise the interest rates. Right now, inflation is out of control in the United States. Somebody on YouTube was talking about how they actually changed the metric. Right now, inflation, the CPI, is at about 7.5%. They changed the metric this year, which essentially made food and gas a smaller part of the equation, which obviously food and gas are booming in price, right? They're going up extensively. So if they wouldn't have made this change, this person stated that essentially 17% would be more the CPI as it was calculated like 10 or 15 years ago, right? So inflation's out of control. The Fed has to do something. Wall Street just wants everything to be done slowly, like 25 basis points. Interest rates have to be bumped up time and time again, multiple times over this year. The Fed tries to keep Wall Street happy, right? They want to keep the Wall Street market strong, right? And they don't want to throw any curveballs at Wall Street. But when they do, Wall Street doesn't take it well, and you see the financial markets pull back. If you go over to the SPX, you can see that SPX is breaking to the downside. You've got this seemingly similar double top idea. Now look at Bitcoin. You got the same type of double top idea, and then the price is running up here to the ceiling and potentially could be getting rejected for some downside. So I'm watching SPX now. Traditional markets close in about 3.5 hours, but again, if you lose this support level for the SPX, you're going to see some Bitcoin downside potentially. If this keeps playing out how it has in the past, right? Bitcoin's been following the SPX, right? The pivots have been the most important, but again, I think that if you got an extensive move lower, this would drag Bitcoin lower too. Definitely, you've seen a lot of reversals on these pivots for the SPX. So watching Bitcoin, you can see even clearly like pulling back. Let's zoom in, go to the 5-minute chart. Now, if we zoom into Bitcoin, I mean, you can see like literally it's dropping right now as the SPX, look, 5-minute SPX, watch this. I mean, tell me these things aren't tied together, right? It's like follow the leader. Where's the market going to close at? I mean, look at Bitcoin. Like it's doing the exact same thing. Like look at it, literally right now, exact same thing. Like never, we wanted Wall Street here and they're here. And one thing like in the group, it's like stock updates because it's so important. Like you can front run Bitcoin based on what the SPX is doing. Look, dropping. I mean, how can you deny this, right? So, I mean, look, literally right now, right before our eyes, it's following the stock market. We can use these ideas. So this Fed board meeting coming on Monday the 14th, there's a lot of people on edge. They just want to see, and this is a closed door meeting, so want to see how this plays out for traditional markets and how that influences Bitcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.